Next, quick trick 8. Consider a group of n elements whose average is x. From that group of n elements, replace one existing entry e with another new entry n. That is, simply replace one number with another number from a group of n numbers. Due to this, the average value changes, and consider the new average as z. Here we have two cases. In first case, the new value n is greater than the existing value e. Under such case, the average increases. And in case 2, consider the new value n is less than the existing value e, such that the average value decreases. Here, the change in averages is simply equal to n minus e divided by small n. Right. Here, you just observe this expression z minus x is equal to n minus e over small n. If this is a positive value, then this expression belongs to first case. Here, a positive value of z minus x belongs to first case, and a negative value of z minus x belongs to second case. Negative value of this difference gives your second case. You see here, if the new entry is greater than the existing entry, then always this g minus x is a positive value. If new entry is less than the existing entry, then this difference z minus x would be a negative value. Okay. Now we'll move on to some problems, some solid examples so that it clarifies the concept. The given question is, the average marks of 40 students in an examination was 25. It was later found that the marks of one student had been wrongly entered as 73 instead of 37. What is the value of correct average? Here, the value of n, that is the number of students, is equal to 40, and the average, that is the existing average, x is equal to 25. And the second statement is very important to us. Here, the marks are wrongly entered as 73 instead of 37. So 73 is the existing entry, and it has to be replaced with the correct marks, that is the new entry 37. So if I'm considering the existing entry is equal to 73, then the average was 25. But here we have to obtain the correct average, that is by considering the correct marks. So the correct marks would become the new entry n, which is equal to 37. So here the value of n is less than e. This obviously belongs to case 2 in our trick. Let us obtain z minus x, which is equal to n minus e over small n. And here z, that is the correct average, and x is 25, and the value of n is 37, and e value is 73 over n is 40. So the correct average z is equal to 25 minus 37 minus 73 value is minus 36. That's why I have a negative sign here, over 40. Let us cancel out 4 9 times and 10 times. So it is 25 minus 0.9, which is equal to 24.1. So the correct average is 24.1. Next example. The average weight of 15 kids in a class increases by 1.5 pounds when one of the kids weighing 60 pounds is replaced by a new kid. What is the weight of the new kid? From statement 1, we can write the number of kids n is equal to 15, and the average weight increased by 1.5 pounds. So the difference between z minus x is equal to 1.5. It is a positive value because it is an increasing value. And one of the kids weighing 60 pounds is replaced by a new kid. So existing kid weight is equal to 60 pounds. And we have to find out the new kid weight. So again, by using the same expression, z minus x is equal to n minus e, that is n, capital N is to be obtained, minus capital E is 60 over small n value is 15. So this value of n is required for us. 1.5 multiplied with 15 is equal to n minus 60. So the new kid weight n is equal to 1.5 times 15, that is 22.5 plus 60. So that value is 82.5 pounds.